What's up, everybody? It's me and my brother playing with my two friends, and we're playing Rivals, and it's Aaron and Henry, and so guys, whoever, it's an arena that's big. It's an arena. Guys, leave the video if you don't like Rivals. Or,
Yeah.
I mean,
Hi, everybody.
guys, I'm kidding.
I got you.
Guys, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Guys, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Guys, I'm kidding, okay? Like, Walker, you gotta cook. I'm locking in with the sniper.
I'm getting many.
Why does your what's it called? Whatever. Flare in 22?
Down.
I killed him and
He's getting up close. I can't do anything.
Behind you.
I'm 50. I knew he was about to come, so I just shot.
I got it.
That's all I had to do.
No, these people have not taken no damage.
Oh, there's an AFK person on that team. All you gotta do is kill that person and kill that AFK person.
Yeah, but here's the point. I don't. Bro, he has a crossbow. This might be a home. Bro, that's crossbow.
Everybody has crossbow.
Exactly. Crossbow's easy.
Sniper rifle right now.
Yo, guys.
They debuff sniper rifle.
Where's the
Guys, like if you have crossbow, sub if you don't have crossbow.
But I put you in.
I just caught something.
Killed one person and then the other person left. That wasn't really
Boom,
a
bop,
fact.
boom, 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 bop.
I killed a person.
Fuck.
This kid is just straight up rushing me.
I'm trying to get this kid.
I got a mid kid.
Two.
I'm so low. Dang it! And then he comes out of nowhere and crossbows and hits me, bro. Like, bro, he's not even
He's
good.
about to come. I knew it.
No, it's not.
Dead. W headshot.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Are you gonna headshot on somebody?
I have no control with the crossbow, so
I
I'm
got-
not gonna use
I
that
got like
crossbow.
5 headshots. Like 3 headshots this game.
Set.
yeah.
Up for the assist.
Boom, bop, clap. I moved
There's
to
no movement unlocked. The launcher
two.
launcher with the fist.
Yeah. I'm using knife.
What about the fist, rocket launcher, and daggers?
I'm rushing with a knife. I got you.
Oh, rocket launcher. Where's this guy? He spams it. I usually just use the player first.
How'd he kill me?
I'm 1 HP.
How bro killed me without even shooting? Guys, you see that, bro? How'd bro kill me without shooting?
But someone
I'm
there.
not 1 HP. I just healed up. I just hit him across the map through the wall.
Yeah, I just killed.
Let's go. What happened? Like disconnect.
Wait,
You're
wait,
close
wait,
enough to
wait,
do
wait.
it. Or they have McDonald's in me.
We put in
They have
McDonald's.
Like how I used to have McDonald's internet.
We put
I
in
just had
McDonald's.
so bad stick drift.
Oh my.
Shit on the back of it, watch out.
He got a tear.
I have McDonald's internet when I use my Xbox. That's why I switched to PlayStation.
Oh, there's a floating sniper. Yo, Guys, you seen that floating sniper?
Bro, it's a 1v4.
This is not fair, bro. It's a 1v4.
Ho-
And I think that person did AFK.
He's not AFK, buddy.
I thought he was.
Oh, yeah, no, I think he's AFK. That was a bot. He's
He-
just a bot.
He has McDonald's internet right now. Bro had McDonald's internet. Bang, bang, bang.
You're just instantly next to Jordan around.
Well, I don't always do that, okay?
My mom told me,
It's gonna get us
I had this ringtone that goes, if only.
It's funny. No, do iceberg, do iceberg, do iceberg. Dang it.
I
We're
love
playing
that.
against bots. Look at all of them.
Does it mean they're bots? What if they're hackers, Henry?
10, 16, 46, and 31. I don't think they're hackers, but they're all on phone.
Henry, I mean, some phone people are
Who has
hackers.
flamethrower? Who has flamethrower? That's Walker.
No.
Walker bought the pack. He bought the minigun too.
Well, you can flamethrower with the minigun.
Come on. Your body.
Is my ears?
Yo, guys. Yo, guys, I was lagging so
I
bad.
just killed this guy with the flamethrower, and my favorite shirt just forgot what it was. Like clothes. If we don't win this game, I'm quitting rivals. We are playing against absolutely bots.
Nah, bro, guys.
Aaron's ignorance.
We have to win this.
I'll laugh.
Aaron led.
Hey, at least it's a 3v3 now.
No, it's not. Aaron, hello?
Hello?
What, did you leave?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Because I don't play that.
Bro, guys, I was just lagging right there. I was spamming my freaking keyboard and yeah, I mean my controller.
Let's go.
Wait.
I was getting aimbotted. Literally.
I literally just pushed him into my green.
Boom, bang, bop, boom, boom.
Got it.
Walker, bro, it's a 1v1.
Yo,
I got.
you gotta kill him, Walker. You gotta kill him.
Oh yeah.
Behind you, Walker.
Dang it. And no.
It's fine. It's a 3v3 though.
Dang it.
Pretty good save by me. Yeah, is that it?
It
Yes.
was.
You know, that was sick. It was a round of gold win.
Guys, 100 likes on this video
Rocket League.
and I'll play whatever game you guys say in the comments. If this video gets 100 likes and you
But
comment
it has to be on
on
Roblox.
what game, you guys get to pick. Oh, I just lied.
Wait, what did you say?
He said that he'll play it whatever game, but it has to be on Roblox.
Yeah, but
Whatever.
they- but they gotta comment what game.
Nobody's gonna talk.
Hey, you might have to think on where comedy.
I mean, will do. Oh.
The frick, bro?
They
I'm cooked.
We're about to get 300 clouds.
Nice.
Unless I flex up.
Save.
Bro, why does the daggers look like Mr. Hands?
Because they weren't related.
What?
What? Yo, guys, you seen them? That kid. Alright, guys, I'm getting the rocket launcher.
Well, I say
What is the bow, flare gun, and I just got the bow, flare gun, and something.
nice hit.
Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop.
Just the bow 200s if you hit them.
Enemy spotted. Bop, bang, bang, bop.
Dead. Dead with the bow.
Dead.
Imagine walking with a chainsaw.
Oh, I didn't just get lost. Let's go.
Pop.
Behind shot and launch, DL. It's in my team.
Let's go.
Oh my.
Yep, we do.
Yes! I flipped. That was my first flip. That was my first slip and it went in.
Low flip.
That's your first ever flip.
Mm,
Yes.
I've done like 50 in the past year. I'm kidding, like 100.
Do you think I care?
No, they only
100.
use a rocket
I
launcher.
don't even I train a lot. So I've been training on my flip reset.
Oh, he's one shot with the
Finally
rocket
hit
launcher.
my flip reset that I've been training for
The
like
kid with
a
that.
month on.
Walker, that wasn't a crazy shot. Walker, go forward.
No, it's a 3.
Chop up.
I think we're cooked. Did anybody shoot that yellow kid? Walker, I seen him. I seen him.
Oh my.
50? One shot with the rocket launcher. No, no. No, you both are one shot. Right!
What's the guy from Fortnite?
Ah!
Bobby, I killed him.
Gonna have a crash shot!
Guys from Fortnite?
Wait, Bobby.
Well, that was
Bobby.
been for like 30 seconds.
Guys, if we lose from these kids, then I'm gonna crash out.
Well, I said if we lose, I'm quitting Rugby, so y'all better lock in.
You're not quitting Rivals, buddy boy.
I will, though.
No, you're not.
Grenade.
Look, down.
This kid's only using freaking RPGs. Awesome.
Why? Dang it.
Oh my
So
gosh.
close.
I'm trying to
Walker, use the minigun
Okay.
and flamethrower. I mean, just flamethrower.
I
Okay.
got the spray out. I'm getting the spray out.
Bang, bang.
Even though the spray only does like 2 minutes.
Bonnie.
All the time.
He
50?
pulled.
If we come back from this, oh my god, I'm clutching up actually though. No.
Actually, I just got sprayed from that.
No, we lost in overtime. We were cooking.
Bang.
Going to my trap. To my good teammate is Saul, bro. Teammate can't do anything.
Chop up. You made me die.
Come on.
What is
Come on.
I hope we don't lose.
50.
that?
And we
He's like one shot with the rocket launcher. Told you. Look!
Bro, it should be sudden death. Oh no, it's not. We didn't roll at 2. I say if we have 3,
It'd be half. It'd be at sudden death. 50.
what do you mean?
Nothing.
No, lock in.
Yo, gang.
We need the best kid dead
I
first.
got gang number gang.
How? Yo, guys, you see? Look, you see right there where it just said I killed someone when I died.
Bro, so you probably got an assist, and then Walker's gonna sell.
Walker, you're gonna sell. You're
Oh
good.
no, I just lost my edge in like 15 minutes straight.
Ah! Ah! My gosh!
Yo, this son of a missed the shot.
Roar!
Oh, Trey, you didn't throw me threes, terrible.
Oh, crap.
Like the ball in training, it just missed its own shot.
Yeah, I should have done.
Hey, Chad.
Bro, Aaron,
Hey, Chad.
we're gonna 20 overall. We're not 20 overall, 20 overall.
No, do iceberg. Iceberg.
Hey, Trey.
Iceberg, guys. Yo, guys. Sniper daggers and
I have no experience on this.
yeah, me either. Why do you guys even pick this? Well, I have a little.
You should be mad at the people who did it.
I have a little experience about this.
Oh, you dumb, buddy.
200 plus.
What?
It's just a
Hey.
baby. It's just a baby. Took a good DNA test.
Literally just joined the game.
Oh, you dumb. That poor dude.
Literally just joined the game.
Henry, you freaking just joined the game.
I joined 15 basically, okay?
15.
What do you mean? Join what?
I joined Rivals like
No.
50.
Huh?
50.
No, maybe like a year, Trey.
Damn.
Actually 50. I'm kidding, Henry. Like a year.
But
But I mean, I didn't play it that much. I used to always play it, but not anymore. And I like barely even play it. Our teammate is crazy.
I know.
No way he was gonna win. No way. Like it was a fucking.
Okay,
I mean, no way he was gonna win.
How you doing that gun?
Henry, you wouldn't even win that. That's the thing.
I'm getting slapped by the 60 level kid. And I probably would have won that if I was still alive.
But you died on purpose.
Bobby, me
Because
and
you just felt like it.
Bob,
What?
me and all other teammates, we got that gun, that play gun.
Why did the time runs out? So the time
W's,
doesn't pick
W's.
up. I was 50.
Whoever has the most health when the time run outs win.
Oh, it's a 3v4. It's a 3v4.
Tree before.
Not we.
Bro, there's a level 4, 1, and 6. Well, now a 4 and a 6.
2 people left.
What if the level 60 kid quits? What if the level 4, what if they all quit?
Walker's a bot. He's just sitting in the corner. What is Walker doing? Why are y'all sitting in the spirit den? Y'all are bots.
Who, me?
No, not you, Walker.
Trey, you need to go get ready.
If the 4 level kid like AFK or something.
I don't know, but I'm freaking cooked. Because I can't find them.
Maybe that's why you should get the rocket launcher.
Oh, bro does. Oh, his name is Pro. Bet you're gonna. Yeah, I'm using the rocket launcher.
Yeah, you,
Actually, crossbow.
yeah, you need a shotgun.
Launcher, bro.
I need a
I
shotgun.
don't feel like I got the grenade on accident.
Buddy, the only thing, yeah, I left.
75. Ho! W Walker. W Walker.
Are you my charlie?
Now it's a
I
3v2.
left. I'm not playing that.
Boom, bop, boom, 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 bop, bang.
Whoa.
Aaron. Aaron, hello?
75 dead.
What about you?
W's. If we win this next round, we won.
Yeah.
It's match point.
Got that, boys. What? Oh, change, Bob. Change you.
W's.
One more and load it.
Alright, guys. That's going to be the end of the
Another
video.
video.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Peace.